was watching Shark Tank the other day and came across this product called the Hickaway straw. Honestly, one of the best products that ever to present in front of the sharks. It's pretty much a hiccup hack in a straw. You sip water, this little hole on the bottom right here. Do is cause that pressure from the water to reverse those hiccups. Super easy, super light. You can put it in your medicine cabinet or in your kitchen drawer. I don't know about you, I get hiccups a lot because I eat spicy food. So this is really handy for me. There's also a child setting so everybody in the family could use it. And right now there's a flash sale going on, so I'll put the link below so you could get yours too.